Hi folks, Blair Alabaster Property Brokers. I'm here at 147 Stanford Street in Ashhurst with an absolute quintessential Kiwi family home. Did I mention it's got some beautiful landscaping? This home is going to offer you everything you want: beautiful decks, sun-drenched, bathroom, extra toilet, and 2 great family livings, and a refreshed kitchen. What more could you ask for? Come on and check it out. Well, there you have it folks, that's 147 Stanford Street here in Ashhurst. If you're after the quintessential family dream, then you need to give me a call. I'm Blair Alabaster from Property Brokers. Give me a call or I'll see you at the open home.